Greetings to all car owners. Today, using the example of Antara series car seat covers, we will show you how to install the covers in your car's interior. Car seat covers should be selected not universal, but for a specific car brand. For a flawless fit, we recommend removing all headrests, unscrewing the fastenings, and taking out the seats. If convenient, the front ones can be left in place, but to have the ability to fold them back. We remove the front fastenings of the front seats, slide the seats forward for convenience, and remove the fastenings at the rear of the seats. Gently raise the front portion of the seat. Disconnect the connectors of the electrical cables. We remove the front seats, proceeding to the rear seats. We definitely take them off. There is no question about it. We lift and carefully disconnect the plugs of the electrical cables in order to ensure their safe removal without causing any damage or disruption. We remove front fastenings of backrests at the bottom. Using a tool, we raise the trim located behind the seat backs and proceed to unscrew the fastenings in that area. Let us proceed to the task of putting on the covers on the front seat. We unhook the factory tongue of the upholstery that was located under the backrest. We initiate with the bottom section, stretch the cover, ensuring that the tab is positioned in the central part of it for proper alignment. We pull between the seat and the backrest of the chair. We smooth everything out by hand and tuck the edges of the cover from the sides of the seat. Attach the hooks that come in the set to the sewn rubber bands on the cover and fasten them to the seats. We tuck in the edges of the covers, tighten the elastics, and secure them with hooks. When sewing, we consider the tech features of car seats. The covers don't interfere with electronic modules and ERP operation. All safety systems in the design considered by engineers in production. We begin by placing the cover on the top of the seat back. Then, we proceed to stretch the cover to ensure a proper fit. We slide all between the slots. Stretch the tongue tightly from the back of the seat and fix it securely using Velcro fasteners. After turning the seat over, we attach the cover using hooks. Attaching the tongue of the factory upholstery. Fix the bottom tongue of the cover with Velcro to the material of the factory upholstery. We manually straighten the inner seams, aligning them in one direction. We attach the headrests onto the seats. We eliminate the seams by hand. We ensure everything is secured using Velcro fasteners for a smooth and secure finish. Now we are able to install the headrest onto the seat. We start dressing the bottom part of the rear seat. It is necessary to place the cover under the technological openings and cut with scissors. Position the cover over the seat, ensuring a tight fit by stretching it firmly and securing it in place with precision. After flipping the seat, we secure everything with hooks from behind. We place the armrest on the upper portion of the seat. We thread the loop through the hole. Ensure a tight, aligned and secure fit by stretching and using Velcro fasteners. We align the seams. Stretch the cover over the back and secure it with Velcro from the back side. Aligning the cutouts, putting on the cover on the split backrest. Setting the apertures. Tightly stretch the cover from the sides and securely fasten it using Velcro. We ensure that the seams are aligned evenly in one direction and then place the headrest on top of them. We smooth out the seams by hand. Secure everything with Velcro. Wrinkles may form on the seat cover material during transportation. You can eliminate them by utilizing an iron. Utilize a cloth to prevent causing damage to the material on the covers. We place the cover onto the front armrest, ensuring a tight fit, and then securely fasten it with hooks from the back side, making sure it is held in place firmly and will not come loose. You install the seats in reverse order. When manufacturing car seat covers, we use only high-quality, hypoallergenic, damage-resistant materials imported from Europe. The covers are convenient, comfortable, and safe to use. Car seat covers can withstand heavy loads because they are made with strong seams that are reinforced with edging. When sewing seat covers, we take into account the technological features of the car seat. The car seat covers are compatible with active headrests, armrests, and seat heating. The covers hold their shape nicely thanks to their elasticity. They have a snug fit. Car seat covers will help preserve the seats of your car in excellent condition for a long time. They are practical to utilize and have a flawless fit, provided they are installed correctly. Your seats will appear as if they have been reupholstered. The car seat covers are original and made from materials sourced from Europe. With over 15 years of sewing experience, you can trust us. Choose your preferred design and buy high-quality car seat covers from EMC-Elegant, the #1 manufacturer in Ukraine.